Welcome to Kitchen Conservatory. In a lot of classes, we love to make steaming pots of soup and then ladle them up to serve it. But what happens when you ladle up your soup, this is a crab bisque by the way, and you try to put it in the bowl, well then it's messy and you've dribbled and you have to then wipe the bowl before you serve it. So that's, especially for a crowd, can be really inefficient in serving soup. So here's a trick about how to serve soup and you never have to wipe the bowl before serving. You take one of the soup bowls and that catches every drip. And here's the important thing, catches your ladle on the way back to the pot. Always have this under, and then you never have to wipe the rim of the bowl, and you have beautiful presentation for serving your luscious crab bisque. We make cooking fun in Kitchen Conservatory.